Now, the Karrera control panel takes a lot of its features from the Cayenne system. What are some of the unique points about these panels that make them special?
The important thing all the time to think about when you're looking at a good control panel, Rick, is how easy it is to read it, how easy it is to understand it. So some of the things we've imported from our high-end switcher are things like our OLEDs, which are beautifully readable source name displays. We've used the same kind of technology inside our transition area, so we're getting lots and lots of information in one space. We've got RGB illumination underneath every single button. Now, some people, of course, say that's way too busy and they don't want to see so many colors on a control panel. It's just not what they're used to. So inside color scheme control here, I can drop the whole panel to white, except for those buttons that I explicitly color. One button which will never go any other color is the button of the source that's on the air. It's always that brilliant scarlet. What I can also do is identify some of my sources that I really need to find quickly by color. So what I might want to do is to color up my image stores so they're easier to find. Now, I just happen to know that they're numbers 2, 4, 6 and higher. So when I go there, you can see that, well, it's close too. When I pick up my image stores, I get the choice of giving them a source color. So I might make them brilliant green, so that they're very easy for me to find when I need to see them. And multi-select will let me select all of my image stores in one go and color them all the same. I'm building right the way through the mixer, easy to find sources. Because every mix effects bank has got 6 keyers, it might help me if I could identify them much quicker than reading them. A simple color change might make keyers easier to see. So back again in my panel color scheme, I'm going to drop first of all to the tinted color scheme. And what it does is keeps my white source names, but gives me color inside my keyers. Of course, I'm just determined to make things easy for myself, so I'll go that final step and use the rainbow color scheme, which gives each mix effects bank the program line color that tells me, without even reading it, which mix effects bank is which. It goes a bit further really, I think, though. As I start controlling my keyers, you'll notice that the key control line inside a mix effects bank changes color to tell me which keyer I'm controlling. And if I designate that top line to be macros, any recorded macro becomes yellow. Really what I'm trying to say here is, though the LEDs are beautifully readable, we really shouldn't be reading them. The glance from the corner of our eye and that RGB color set that we're able to use makes everything so much more readable, that much more quickly inside a live TV situation.